Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing some fantastic part-time jobs that can help you earn extra money while working flexible hours. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, these opportunities are perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. Hi there! Are you looking for ways to make extra money with a part-time job? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share some great part-time job options that can help boost your income. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill or talent, freelancing can be an excellent way to earn money on your own terms. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or social media manager, there are countless opportunities available online. To get started, create an account on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Showcase your skills, create a compelling portfolio, and start bidding on relevant projects. Freelancing allows you to work from the comfort of your home, set your own rates, and choose projects that align with your interests and abilities. 2. Tutoring and teaching. If you excel in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring or teaching services. This could be academic subjects, music lessons, or even language instruction. You can advertise your tutoring services locally or utilize online platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or Chegg Tutors. These platforms connect you with students worldwide and allow you to teach online. It's a great way to share your knowledge while earning extra income. 3. Delivery driver. With the rise of e-commerce, the demand for delivery drivers has skyrocketed. Companies like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart offer flexible opportunities for individuals looking to earn money by delivering food, groceries, or other items. All you need is a reliable vehicle, a smartphone, and a valid driver's license. Simply sign up with these platforms, set your availability, and start accepting delivery requests in your area. It's a flexible job that allows you to choose when and where you work. 4. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, why not turn that passion into a part-time job? Pet sitting and dog walking can be a rewarding and enjoyable way to earn money. Join websites like Rover or Wag to connect with pet owners in your area who need pet sitting or dog walking services. You can set your own rates, decide on the services you offer, and create a schedule that suits you. Plus, spending time with furry friends is a fantastic perk. So, there you have it, some great part-time job options that can help you boost your income. Remember, the key is to find something that aligns with your skills, interests, and schedule. Whether you choose freelancing, tutoring, delivery driving, or pet sitting, these part-time jobs offer flexibility and the potential to earn extra income. Before you go, here are a few tips to make the most out of your part-time job experience. First, prioritize your time management skills. Since you'll be juggling multiple responsibilities, it's essential to allocate your time efficiently. Create a schedule that balances your part-time job, personal life, and any other commitments you have. Next, provide exceptional service. No matter which part-time job you choose, going the extra mile and delivering excellent customer service will help you build a good reputation. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend you to others, leading to more opportunities and a steady flow of income. Additionally, continually improve your skills. Whether it's through online courses, workshops, or self-study, investing in your professional development can open doors to higher-paying opportunities in your chosen field. Lastly, remember to manage your finances wisely. Set a budget and track your expenses. Saving a portion of your earnings can help you reach your financial goals faster and provide a safety net for unexpected situations. That wraps up today's video on part-time jobs that can boost your income. I hope you found these suggestions helpful and inspiring. Remember, with determination and the right mindset, you can turn your part-time job into a fulfilling and rewarding experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, leave your comments and questions down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.